Ito na probably ang complete package para sa mga students and young professional. Ang HUAWEI Matepad 11.5S. The tablet would definitely let you step up your productivity. It has a better experience than M Pencil na 3rd generation. A keyboard with Nearlink technology giving you more detachment to create more gestures. And of course, itong tablet meron siyang 144Hz of screen refresh rate, anti-glare technology na version 2, plus a big battery. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Now, itong HUAWEI Matepad 11.5S na may 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage would have a starting price of $29,999, and it comes together with several freebies when you order early. Meron siyang 3rd generation na M Pencil, a magnetic keyboard, and Huawei Bluetooth mouse para sa mga early bird buyers. Better check the official link na ipopost ko sa description box below. Now, pagdating sa design nitong tablet ito, I love the way it is, and matte finish ka ng likod, which is very usual naman sa mga tablet. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is magandang kanyang pagkakanto dito. Hindi siya edgy like the other tablets out there. And sa likod niya, medyo may kunting chamfer din, so hindi siya makanto. And this tablet has 4 speakers, 2 sa taas and 2 rin sa ilalim, which supports Histen 9.0. We'll do some sound test later. Probably one of the things na nagustuhan ko sa tablet ito is manipis siya. 6mm lang ka ng kapal, and this one is just weighing at around mga 500 grams lang, kalating kilo, not so heavy for a tablet. Now, one of the freebies na gustong-gusto ko dito sa HUAWEI Matepad 11.5S is that it comes together with a PC level na WPS Office. License edition to. So meaning you can do your spreadsheet, your Word document, or your PowerPoint presentation dito sa tablet ito. And what's nice dito sa kanya is kanyang menu is simply complete. Parang gamit mo lang isang PC or isang laptop. And syempre, hindi mawala ang super hub dito sa tablet ito dahil it boosts the productivity ng every individual using this tablet. Kailangan mo lang mag-long swipe dito sa gilid, lalabas yung menu, click mo na ito Super Hub, and everything pwede mo na drag dito sa Super Hub. Para lang siya isang hub na itadrag mo mga pictures, mga text document, then itadrop in mo lang sa Word, sa PowerPoint, sa Excel. Very easy na ang lahat na gagawin mo dito on this tablet. It's a copy and paste function on a whole new level. So gusto ko ilagay lang sa Super Hub to. Hold, lagay lang sa Super Hub. And yun na. So, punta lang sa WPS Office kung saan ko gusto i-paste yung object. Then, ilalabas ko lang ulit si Super Hub. Click. Then, drag and drop. Andyan na yung photo na kinapi ko kanina. Galing, no? And by the way, lahat ng apps na kailangan mo, pwede mo na siya man-download dito sa Huawei App Gallery. Don't forget to install the Micro G services para magamit mo na lahat ng Google services na kailangan mo. Now, itong Matepad 11.5S na Paper Matte Edition is currently being powered by the Kirin, and we did run sa mga benchmarks dito, and I was able to get a 606,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. And pag binignan mo siya, ito makukuha mo. So, while I've extreme 1,000 ka ng loop score, and meron siya 98% stability. Looking good naman ka ng thermals, and it throttled to 86% ng ka ng max performance. Itong score nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench, and ito ang ka ng GPU score. Now, one of the good things dito sa tablet is that malaki ang kanyang battery, 8,800 mAh, and which can last you through the whole day without charging. As long as you're using it normally, walang babal sa video call all day long, kayang-kaya naman niya mag-perform. And this one also comes together with a 22.5 watts of charging brick, which can let you charge the tablet from 0 to 100 in just mga 2.5 hours, based sa akin experience. Now, for sinalang ko to sa PC Mark na battery stress test, under 50% brightness and 60Hz of screen refresh rate, 12.5 hours ang binigay sa akin na screen on time. Pretty good. Now, one of the highlights dito sa tablet na ito is ang kanyang display. 11.5 inch na 2.8K display ang meron dito. And by the way, ang display nito is ang IPS LCD, hindi pa siya AMOLED, but makita natin yung ganda nitong display a little bit later. One of the things na gusto ko din dito sa kanya is meron siyang 144Hz screen refresh rate, which I think is quite rare pa sa mga tablets these days. Now, one of the things na ma-appreciate mo dito sa kanya is improved na ang kanyang anti-glare technology dito sa kanya, version 2.0. It used to be sa mga older generation ng mga paper matte edition ni Huawei, medyo nawawala yung kanyang punchiness ng kanyang colors. Kasi matte finish eh. But this time around, it's a lot more vibrant. And it has several certificates dito. TUV Rainland Reflection-Free Certificate, SGS Low Visual Fatigue Certification, TUV Rainland Low Blue Light Certification, and of course, TUV Rainland na Flicker-Free Certification. Ensured ka na protected ang iyong mata while using this for long hours. Now, kung ilawan mo siya, like this one, tutukan natin na ilaw na. Now, it used to be, pag finocus mo ang ilaw sa kanya, mapapansin mo, parang medyo namumuo pa siya nung sa version 1. This time, mas maganda na kanyang dissipation ng ilaw, so therefore, mas hindi nahalatado kahit natutukan na siya ng ilaw. Like this, oh. Ayan. And right now, nakatapat siya sa aking ilaw. Meron akong dalawang ilaw dito na nakatapat sa akin, no? Halos di ko na siya mapapansin. So, definitely goods. And tinry ko naman siya gamitin sa social, sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and sa Instagram. Okay naman siya. Mabilis naman ka na response on every single swipe. So definitely okay na okay siya for social media consumption. And by the way guys, meron siyang level 1 na Wi-Fi security level. So you can watch HD dito sa tablet na ito. And kung mahilig ka naman ng mga videos dito on this tablet, I'm pretty sure na mag-enjoy ka. Dahil this time around, it's punchier as compared sa mga previous generation ng anti-glare technology ni Huawei. So right now, medyo mas true to life na mga napapanood ko dito na video, letting me enjoy together with my family and the whole barkada. And since this tablet has 4 loudspeaker and it's being powered by Hysten 9.0, pakinggan na natin kung gaano kalakas nga ba talaga itong loudspeaker ni HUAWEI Matepad 11.5 Paper Matte Edition. Grabe, lakas ang kanyang loudspeaker. Dito halos sa tabi ko lang, medyo nakakabingi na siya. Talaga mag-i-enjoy ka together with the whole barkada when watching your favorite shows. Now, of course, the tablet comes together with some of these accessories. We got a M Pencil na version 3.0 and of course, a keyboard with near-link technology. Now, one of the good things dito sa dalawang device na ito, it's both are near-link technology capable, ensuring you na very good and uninterrupted na connection. So, tinry natin itong pen na ito together with the Go Paint app. So, I was able to draw something and enjoying myself while doing some painting, scribbling on sa tablet na ito. It was really responsive and pansin ko, whenever you apply more pressure, mas dumidiin siya. Whenever you lighten up your pen, mas gumagaan din ang sulat mo. So, it feels like a real pencil in real life. And perfect na perfect to for students taking down notes and of course, on doing some drawing, which is not my expertise. But definitely, masarap mag-drawing using this pen. Na pagdating naman sa keyboard na ito, halos din ako gumagamit ng virtual keyboard sa tablet when I'm using this keyboard. It's very responsive. I love the way it is kasi I tried sa HUAWEI Notepad and sobrang responsive niya. Every single type, ang bilis naman mag-respond. And halos wala ako na-feel na lag or delay sa kanyang keyboard thanks to the near-link technology inside itong keyboard na ito. Now, despite that this is not a gaming tablet, we did play 3 games dito. Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, and Farlight 84. Napagdating sa ML, even though na hindi mo siya masaset sa ultra-ultra, okay naman ang kanyang gameplay. It was really smooth, playing rank matches for around mga 30 minutes. I would say na okay siya. I could hardly feel the heat kasi hindi ko naman halos nahawakan yung likod nito ang tablet na ito. But nung chinek ko siya, it's around mga 38 degrees Celsius. Hindi naman siya ganun kainit based on my Mancina thermal scanner. And what's nice din dito sa kanya while playing Call of Duty Mobile, sobrang nang responsive. Ang ganda ng kanyang field of view dahil it's really good. And what's nice is walang glare. Kahit meron akong fluorescent lamp sa ibabaw ng aking kisame. So, normally when I'm playing using a phone, may glare yan eh. So, iniiwasan ko yung glare. But this time around, dito sa tablet ito, kahit anong anggulo, wala akong pake kasi sobrang nice ang kanyang anti-glare technology dito. And the gameplay was really good. Halos wala akong nafe-feel na lag. Pagdating sa Farlight 84, the problem is pag sinet mo sa ultra, mafe-feel mo yung lag and yung mga frame drops. Kasi, I guess, hirap pa si Kirin 9000 WL and lowering down to HD, it was a lot smoother and a lot better. Now, when pa nasa-sniper ako, nasi-zoom in ako, wala na halos mas feel na lags. Medyo minimal, aminado naman tayo. And the gameplay was okay after an hour. For the first 15 minutes, smooth naman siya. Pero there are times that it goes a little bit sluggish along the way. But as expected naman, this is Farlight 84. So after playing for 1 hour, it was still good and was able to squeak out 2 victories. And pinakamainin na na-achieve na sa tablet is around mga 40 degrees Celsius. And let's try some quick shots lang dito sa tablet na ito. This one has a 13MP na rear camera and a 8MP na front-facing camera. So right now, let's try to record one quick video dito using the front-facing camera. tingnan na natin ang quality niya when you're trying to do some video conferencing. So hi guys, ako si Rich from Gadgetsidekick, and right now I'm using the HUAWEI Matepad 11.5 Paper Matte Edition and trying out the front-facing camera. This is the quality that you'll be getting, and right now I'm also recording using the default audio. So ano masasabi nyo guys sa kanyang quality? Hit the comments. Now guys, pag-usapan natin some photos na na-capture natin from the HUAWEI Matepad 11S Paper Matte Edition. So I'm not the type of guy na mahilig kumuha ng mga photos using a tablet, but for demonstration purpose and makita natin ang ganda ng kanyang camera, here are some photos. Taking some photo ng mga greens, you'd see na okay, hindi saturated ang kanyang green, and probably medyo natural ang kanyang colors dito sa mga halaman na nakuha natin. And taking some reds naman, looks good, and hindi lang super sharp pagdating sa kanyang details. But there are times na pag focus mo na maayos, you'd see the deep details dito sa mga petals niya. And taking some other green shot, I would say talagang medyo natural ang kanyang color, hindi siya saturated, which is I think good para dito sa tablet na ito. Now pagdating naman sa indoor and you like food photography, I think okay naman siya. Not to the point na sobrang ganda, but it's good enough to let you post on Instagram and on Facebook. Some shots like this are pretty normal. Yep, kaya naman na mag-focus na mabilis itong kanyang camera. And probably one thing na na-surprise ako, ang ganda rin naman ng kanyang separation ng subject and from the kanyang background, and okay din ang kanyang pagka-background blur. Looking at this figure, quite sharp naman kanyang detail. Now, kung mahilig ka naman sa mga small subjects like mga beans, I think okay naman kanyang capture, except that pag zoom in mo, medyo blurred siya. Taking some low light photos like this is okay, but medyo hirap lang siya konti pagdating sa low light. This is another low light photo na medyo hirap ang kanyang camera pagdating sa medyo darker places. But surprisingly, maganda kanyang capture din sa mga details like this one. Now on outdoor, kanyang selfie camera looks good, and seems to me na it's a little bit soft when you zoom it in, but you'll definitely see all of the imperfections sa aking mukha. Now we bring it indoor, pag medyo okay ang lighting, it looks good. Medyo dark ang kanyang photo, no? Makita mo parang nag-blend in ang aking buhok sa background. Now, pag medyo mas madilim pa konti, medyo mas mahirapan ang kanyang camera. Now guys, after trying this tablet for near 2 weeks, what can I say about yung kanyang quality, ang kanyang performance? Overall, this tablet is definitely good. And I would say na if you're a young professional or mahilig ka mag-drawing or you're a student, this tablet is something that you should invest on. Kasi it has a good na anti-glare technology, ang ganda ng processor, okay ang kanyang camera, well, pretty decent. And of course, yung kanyang battery life is pretty good. Kaya mag-quick entertainment ka dito, it's also good. And I would say na kanyang anti-glare technology has definitely improved. So if you want to know kung saan mo pwede ma-purchase tong tablet na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.